Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. This is a Transformers car, and if I'm not wrong, Bumblebee used to be Camaro before, and in the newer movie has turned into as you can see, a Beetle. I haven't seen the new movies, so I don't have that much reference to it, but we have the casting here. Let's open it up and see how does it look. So if you look from the side, it just looks like any other Beetle that you might see, and it actually looks like the Beetle's Hotwheels already released. The only giveaway that it's a Transformers or Bumblebee Beetle is if you look it from the front. So you've got this Autobots logo here. Apart from that, it's a very standard Beetle. You've got the chrome bumper, chrome headlamp. It's obviously finished in yellow because Bumblebee is yellow. You've got these wheels, which we have seen a lot of Hot Wheels for a long time. You got Hot Wheels written on the back, chrome bumper, detailed tail lamps, which is again good. For a mainline, you've got detailed tail lamp and detailed headlamp. This classic not round, elliptical kind of shape on the window, or curved window, which looks good. Beetles, obviously two-door, and it's the classic Beetle, not the new one. As you can see the shape here. The interior is done in black. I can't see anything special there. So 2 seats in the front and bench in the back. Base again is in chrome. So this Autobot edition is new, obviously, the Bumblebee, but I think the base of the casting, like the actual Beetle, Hot Wheels has done before this, so you might be able to find these. I'm not sure. I might also have like another version of these Beetle, but overall, yeah, it's a nice casting. If you're Transformer fan, obviously get this. Well, those are my thoughts. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.